Dear learners, good morning to everyone. Thank you very much for joining us in our platform Moodle at UNISA University of Blida in Algeria. Today we're going to present our fourth lecture titled What is International Finance? So I have divided my fourth lecture into the following elements as follows. What is international finance? What are the features of international finance? Language activities including building vocabulary and finally assessment including quizzes, tests, exams. So what is international finance? International finance is a section of financial economics that deals with the macroeconomic relation between two countries and their monetary transactions. What are the features of international finance? The features of international finance are transmitting capital, proper money utilization, international banking, trade finance, and efficient economic management. Language activities, the word or the adjective international usually before noun means connected with or involving two or more countries. For example, Japan's crime rate is still low by international standards. Mahidin is a professor of international law. The island now has an international airport. Last element, your assessment. So please, learners, don't forget to take a look at your different types of assessment, including quizzes, tests, exams. Thank you for your attention. See you next time.